What's up guys, John from J&J Auto Wrecking here, doing a quick video of a kind of custom part we have for sale here. We recently parted out a Plymouth Prowler and it was just so clean we wanted to leave a little bit of it together. Let's just take a look at it here. This is going to be our, I don't even know what we're calling it, DIY hot rod kit. Maybe if you want to chop this thing up and put a, I don't know, cool body on it, but it is a drive, I don't even want to call it drivetrain, it is a Prowler roller with a gas tank. It's a Prowler roller, and it comes with Nismo Juke RS wheels, so big money there. But yeah, this is going to be the remnants of a 1999 Plymouth Prowler. We will not be including a title with this, but you're going to have everything you need here for a really solid hot rod setup. You'll have a nice power steering setup with the shaft, the kind of cool cantilever front suspension, complete rear suspension. Again, no title with this frame. I don't even know if this thing has a VIN on it, honestly. I know it has a part number somewhere. There's probably a VIN here somewhere. Maybe, maybe not. Traceability. Again, for the 5th time, no title with this kit. But if you're looking to build something cool and you need just a really solid base to chop up and kind of get some dimensions, or hell, I don't know what you're going to do with it. We've never done this before. This is going to be the kit for you, though. If you watch this video and you buy this kit, please let me know what you're going to do with it. I'll send you a free t-shirt, maybe even a hoodie. John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.